Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to view archived emails in Gmail. Friends, when you archive an email, then that email will be removed from the list of received emails, and later if you want to find your archived email in Gmail, then you simply need to open Gmail app. In Gmail app, suppose I have archived this email. So first I will archive this email by selecting it and pressing on this archive button. Now that email is archived and removed from the list of emails. Now later suppose I want to find that email, then I simply need to press on these three lines and here press on all mails. Now friends, as you can see, our archived email is now viewable and you can very easily differentiate it with the other emails. Like in other emails it is showing inbox and in archived email it is not showing anything. So like this you can understand which email is archived and which email is normally received in your inbox. So now if you want to unarchive this email, then you simply need to long press on it and press on these three dots and here press on move to inbox. Now this email is unarchived and you can see inbox written below it. So friends, like this you can very easily view archived emails in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.